Welcome to week 9. Another short video this week because you've got your head to the grindstone making your game. This week, by the end of this week, we're going to try and finish our final build. And so I've got this beautiful picture of this colorful rainbow crystal here. This is what we're creating. We're creating something beautiful and radiant and well cut like that. That's what we're aiming for. So just to recap, last week we were working hard, basically, not much else to report. And this week, by the end of this week, we're trying to finish our final build of the game. So again, like if there's content that still needs to be done, you'll have to get ruthless at this point about what you're going to cut to get this done in time. Either that, or you can extend your timeline if that's what you want to do. But if your goal is to do this in the 12 weeks, then now's the time to wrap up the game. It's by the end of this week. So bugs might still be present. We're going to do play testing next week, but by the end of this week, the goal should be to have a build of the game that you've already tested in the editor and that you're confident that you can release. It's a tall order, and we're still going to iterate on it a little bit in the next couple of weeks, but they're going to be just tweaking to save yourself the insane sort of rush of fixing bugs and then playtesting again, and then fixing bugs and then playtesting again, and all of that. We want to try and wrap up the final form of the game as if we're going to put it on Steam by the end of this week. So that's the goal this week. So that's all that I need to tell you. You're just going to be working hard, and by the end of this week, you want to package the first draft of your final build. So I say first draft, but really, like, this is sort of your final build. So really try to take that in. By the end of this week, think of this as the project that's going to be uploaded to Steam. And so by the end of the week, you want to have it packaged and ready to play. And then optional, you can post that package in the Discord server so that people can play it if you want people to do that. Entirely optional, but whether you post the game or not, post us a development log. So post us some pictures, a small update. It can be just a paragraph. Let us know what you're working on, how's it going, did you succeed, did you get your game done, are you struggling with it, what are the things that you like about it, how are you feeling, like check in and like share your experiences. And then so finally, by the end of this week, you want to send that game build to somebody as well. So organize a playtest with someone you trust. Like I mentioned at the start, I showed a picture of my brothers in our living room where we were playtesting one of my games. See if you can organize something like that, something in person, or you can do it over Discord or whatever as well, but I think in person is actually the best. Get some people together, even if it's just one other person, and just experience the game together. Get them to play through it, get them to witness what you've created, and see how it goes, see if it's fun, see if there's things that you need to fix, see the things that they enjoyed, etc. And just this last point down here, so you want to try and get as many people playing it as possible between now and the end of week 11. So week 10 we're going to be doing the launch page on Steam, and so that's a good time to give the project away to people, give them a week to play through it, and then to get their feedback back to you if that's what you want to do. And you can have them playing it while you're doing a Steam page. And so, yeah, use that time. So just send people the game, let them know the deadline, like when you want to publish the game, say like your release date, and then just get any feedback you can. Obviously be respectful of people's time. Like, it's generous of them to want to play your game, so respect that and appreciate that. And otherwise, then yeah, just do your best this week. Get this build done, and post your development log, get someone playing it, and then by the end of this week you've got a game. So that's massive. Congratulations. And then we're going to go through the process of bug fixing it and publishing it. So that's it. We'll see you next week.